In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an animation on mouse over using action settings in PowerPoint. To get started, open PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you've got PowerPoint launched, decide whether you're working within an existing presentation or starting fresh with a new one. Either way, just open that presentation and we'll jump right in. Now, with your presentation open, click on the specific shape, picture, or text box you want to animate. Think of this object as the stage for your animation. This is the item that will trigger certain actions when you hover your mouse over it. On your PowerPoint ribbon, you'll see multiple tabs. Make sure you navigate to the Insert tab. This will give you a variety of options to enhance your slide. Once there, look for the Action button. It's usually located in the Links group, often represented by a small lightning bolt icon or labeled plainly as Action. Go ahead and click on it. A new dialog box will open, titled Action Settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that this dialog box has two tabs, Mouse Click and Mouse Over. Hover over and select the Mouse Over tab because we want the animation or action to occur when you simply move your mouse over the object, not when you click it. Now that you're in the Mouse Over tab, let's look at the options available. If your goal is to link this action to another slide within the presentation, select Hyperlink to from the list. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. Choose Slide from this list, and a new window will open, displaying a list of all the slides in your presentation. Select the slide you want the action to link to, and confirm your choice. If you prefer to create a basic visual effect instead, you'll want to check the Highlight on Mouse Over box. This feature is great for making an element stand out without redirecting your audience somewhere else. It creates a subtle yet effective emphasis on the object. Once you've made your selections, click OK to apply these settings. This confirms your choices and closes the dialog box, bringing you back to your PowerPoint workspace. It's always good to test everything to make sure it works smoothly. To do this, switch to slideshow mode and run your presentation. Hover your mouse pointer over the object you set up, and you should see the animation, highlight, or hyperlink in action, depending on the settings you applied. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully set up an animation or action on mouse over in PowerPoint. This technique adds an interactive element to your presentation, making it more engaging for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this PowerPoint tip enhances your slide presentations.